Crispy, perfectly deep-fried chicken wings are the ultimate crowd pleaser. Follow my recipe and tips to ensure that you get a crispy exterior every time. Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're making the best crispy fried chicken wings. They are super delicious, crispy, crunchy at the same time. They are super spicy and you're gonna love it, so let's get started. Alright, so the first step is that we're gonna make the brining for the chicken, and we're gonna use 1 onion for that. This method will give the chicken wings really good flavor and as well cleans the chicken really good. We're adding the onion in the bowl. Also, we're gonna use half an orange for more flavor. So the orange juice will give a very nice fresh flavor to the chicken wings. So we're gonna add the peels as well. To this, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon sugar, some bay leaves for more flavors, and I'm going to add some water. So basically this is 4 cups of water. Probably we're gonna need more. Chicken wings. I like to buy party wings. These are wings that are already separated into drums and flats. Of course, if you want to, you can buy whole chicken wings, but you have to separate them yourself. So the next step is to mix the brine, and we're gonna add the clean chicken, and we're gonna let it sit for about 1 hour or 2. So this is ready, and we're gonna let it sit about 1 hour or 2, or you could do it overnight. So we're gonna cover it, leave it in the fridge, and we're gonna come back. So now it's the second step, and we're going to make our chicken coating, which will be so flavorful because as you can see, we have so many spices here. So in a bowl, we're going to add 3 cups of flour. We're using all-purpose flour here. So here I added 4 cups of all-purpose flour because we have 2 kilos of chicken wings. So on the same bowl, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon white pepper, 1 teaspoon celery salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon oregano. We're going to add about 2 tablespoons paprika, 1 teaspoon brown sugar, 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon ground mustard powder, and 2 tablespoons of baking powder. And here I have 1 cup of cornstarch. And finally, we're going to whisk everything together. So here I'm just going to add a bit more black pepper because we love it spicy. So I feel like it needs a little more. And we're gonna mix that again. And we're going to make our wet batter. I'm gonna divide this in half and transfer it to another bowl. So here we're gonna keep 1 dry and 1 wet. So to this we're going to add 3 eggs. Whisk all the spices together, then add the eggs and water to make a batter. This is what you want to dip the chicken wings in before you dip them in the seasoned flour. This gives the flour something to stick to. So this is 1.5 cup of water. Now we're going to mix. That's gonna make a nice beautiful batter. And we're gonna dip all those chicken wings. Then we're gonna fry them. It's gonna be amazing. So I would add a bit more water. I really like this tool. It's so cute and it's really handy in the kitchen. It's from Amazon if you guys want to purchase it. I think my husband will put the link so you guys can purchase it as well.
We're not Amazon affiliated. You could.
Yeah. Alright, so I believe this is ready. We have no more lumps and we're gonna move on to the next step. So now it's been a few hours and we're gonna remove the chicken. We're gonna drain the chicken from the brine. It smells so fresh. So we're gonna get our chicken out and we're going to pat it dry. We're making sure there's no water and we're gonna pat them dry. These chicken wings will be delicious. So now we're going to pat the chicken wings dry using a towel. And I'm just gonna press it down a bit. So now we're going to dip the chicken in the batter that we have here. We're gonna place it here. Be sure to note this down. This is a very old trick in making perfect deep fried chicken wings or anything fried. Adding cornstarch to the flour helps up the crunch factor by preventing gluten development. So keep this in mind. Heat canola oil in a heavy-duty pan over medium heat. Once oil reaches 300 degrees, begin frying the wings in batches until golden brown and cook through or 10 minutes. With any fried food, you are going to want to fry it in batches. You want to make sure that the food has enough space around it without touching. This method makes sure that the exterior is very crispy. If food is too close together, it will steam instead of fry and won't be very crispy. This is the first batch and they're so crispy and really nice. You can hear the crisp. So after the first batch, we're gonna make sure the temperature is back to 300 for the second batch to go in. It is very important to wait for the oil to reach 300 degrees in between each batch. This means frying one batch and waiting for the oil to come back up to temperature before frying the next batch. These chicken wings came out so good, so perfect, so delicious and crunchy at the same time. So you have to try this recipe for yourself, and the kitchen at this moment smells so good. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, if you learned something new, please do subscribe to my channel, and as well like my video. It's gonna help me to create more content for you guys. Also, please do follow me on my Instagram at Sahara's Kitchen 1. Until next one, bye bye.